High volume.
Hey guys, it's Miracle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you two different DIY natural body scrubs that are perfect for getting all that nasty dead skin off and giving you baby soft legs just in time for the summer. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. This first scrub is a coconut and rose scrub. It doesn't smell like rose, it just smells like coconut. So the ingredients are Epsom salt, pink Himalayan salt, coconut oil, and rosebuds. Okay, so right now I'm pouring in the Epsom salt, and I used 4 ounces of that and also 4 ounces of the pink Himalayan salt. And then for the rosebuds, I didn't measure those, I just sprinkled in just a few of them. Actually, I guess more than a few. I just think they're really pretty and fun, but I didn't measure them, so just use however many you want to use. And then for the coconut oil, I used about 3 ounces. I typically go from 2 ounces to 4 ounces. If you want your scrub to be kind of on the runnier side, use 4 ounces. If you want it on the drier side, use 2 ounces. And what I mean by drier is just more coarse and a lot more salt, so it'll be kind of rougher. I like 3 ounces. I think that's just a great amount, so I'm suggesting 3 ounces of coconut oil to 4 ounces of Himalayan salt and 4 ounces of Epsom salt. That was a lot, sorry y'all. Okay, you guys, so after I mixed it up, and you can just mix it with your hands, I decided to pour it into this old tree hut scrub jar that I had. I just cleaned it out and decided to reuse it. So yeah, just reuse and repurpose things around your house instead of just trying to go out and buy new jars. I literally just took this one and cleaned it, pouring it up in here, and this should last for a very long time because it's nothing but a bunch of salt and coconut oil. So as long as you don't leave it in your shower, it should be okay for like at least a year. So, but I know you're not gonna have this little thing for a year. Probably gonna use it up within the month so you can have some baby soft skin. Okay, hey, ow, ow. Okay, you guys, so this next scrub is a brown sugar scrub. It is so good. Not only will you be looking like a snack, but you'll be smelling like one too. So it's only 2 ingredients: brown sugar and cocoa butter. Okay, so I have 1 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and well dang, I kind of just threw it in the bowl, huh? So put the brown sugar in the bowl. I'll have the recipes in the description box below. But then I have 4 ounces of cocoa butter. I'm going to melt that in the microwave. And if you melt it in the microwave instead of a double boiler, just make sure you keep checking on it and keep stirring, because you don't want nothing burnt or exploding in your house. Yeah, that's 4 ounces right there. And I'm just going to pour it on top of the sugar and mix it up. So you'll see in this footage that I only put in 2/3 of brown sugar. I ended up doubling it, so that's why it only looks like a little bit of brown sugar in the beginning, but I ended up adding the rest. I love the texture on this one. It kind of reminded me of like a really grainy Play-Doh. So once you combine it, add it to a jar, and that's basically it. This was so easy. Whatever you do though, just make sure that you're storing these in airtight containers. Alright you guys, so things could get a little messy, but you know what? That's alright. Anything for some smooth legs, right? So you want to gently exfoliate your legs with the salt scrub, and don't be too harsh with it. Rinse it off just enough to get all the salt off. Rinse with warm water, and the water's literally gonna bounce, like stay on top of your legs, because you're gonna have coconut oil on your legs. So this is key right here. You see how the water's just staying on my legs, right? All you have to do now is pat your legs dry, and that is it. Your legs are gonna be shiny. They're gonna be smooth. Look at that! Oh shine. My gosh!
Yes, honey, yes.
Oh my gosh! Ooh. Ooh. Baby, I'm ready for summer. I'm ready for summer, sis. I'm ready. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and you will really be helping my small channel grow. If you enjoyed this DIY, you should check out some of my other ones. I will have them linked below and also on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.